Hi friend, welcome to our next video. In this video, we will understand counting straight line. So let us start counting straight line. If the question is how many straight lines are there, can you count it? Yes, you can count it. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay. Now, if the diagram is this, you say how many straight lines are there. Many of you will say here is 4. Here is another 4. So 4 plus 4, the total is 8. But it is wrong. How many straight lines are there? Listen. Here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So in total there are 6 straight lines. Understood? So friends, to know more, stay on the video. So let us first understand how to count straight lines. Always you remember, we have to count a straight line from starting point to its end point. So this is a single straight line. Okay, this is another single straight line. So 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5 and 6. Understood? Let us take another example. Next diagram, diagram 2. How many straight lines are there? If you can count it mentally, it is okay. But the logic is, first we will count the horizontal lines, then we will count vertical lines, then we will count inclined or slant lines. Okay, so let us first understand what is horizontal line, what is vertical line and what is inclined line. A straight line which is parallel to the ground, this line is parallel to ground, so this line is called horizontal line. A straight line which is perpendicular to the horizon, it is called vertical line, and these lines are called inclined lines. Okay, that means they are not horizontal, not vertical. Let us first count horizontal lines. Here you look in the diagram, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. How many horizontal lines are there? There are 6 horizontal lines in total. So let us write here 6. Now vertical lines. How many vertical lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here also you write 6. Now let us count the inclined lines. How many inclined lines are there? 1 and 2. So in total there are 14 lines. Next diagram, diagram 3. Let us count first horizontal lines. So how many horizontal lines are there? 1, 2, then 3, then 4. Okay, so 4 plus. Here maximum students makes mistake. They count this portion as one straight line and this portion as another straight line. No, never make any mistake over here. Okay, this is a single straight line. So this is 1, this is another 1, 2. So write here 2. Okay, then 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4. So how many horizontal lines are there? There are 10 horizontal lines. Now vertical lines, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 plus. This is a single straight line from here up to here. So this is 1, this is another 1, 2 plus 1, 2, 3 and 4, 4. So in total there are 10. Now inclined or slant lines. Inclined lines, how many? 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is 8. So in total there are 28 straight lines. Understood? Next diagram, diagram 4. Let us count first horizontal lines. How many horizontal lines are there? 1, 2 and 3. Now vertical lines. How many vertical lines? 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Now inclined or slant lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So in total there are 16 lines. Understood? Diagram 5. So first count horizontal lines. How many horizontal lines are there? 2 horizontal lines, 1 and 2. Now vertical line, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now inclined or slant lines, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 equal to 12. So in total there are 19 straight lines. Understood? So in this type of question you have to remember the logic of counting. Never count this portion as one straight line. Always count it from starting point to its end point. So this is a single straight line. Okay? So this way you can count easily. So friends, I hope you understood how to count straight lines in a given diagram. So if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel.